loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with the April haul. I did my makeup this time around off camera, and otherwise the video gets just so long. And today I'm sharing what I got in PR and the products I picked up. And this month I ended up picking up two items. They're both from Givenchy. First is the Tint Couture Everwear. It's 24-hour wear and control and has SPF 20 and PA++. The shade I am in Y100. It's a really nice match for me. I am pale, and it comes like this in this beautiful glass bottle. It's my first Givenchy foundation, and I applied it with a beauty blender, and I felt like in some parts it did kind of cling, but to give my final thoughts, I do need to use it more than just once. And the other item from them is a blush. It's the Prism Blush Powder Blush Duo. It's shade O2 Love. I love the packaging. I mean, how cute is this? It looks super adorable, and inside there is a blush and a little applicator. I'm not gonna use the applicator, but yeah, I really love the blush, and it smells super nice as well. There is like a two shade. One is like a little bit warmer pink, and then other, but the light, I'm filming with natural light, and I feel like it washes it out a lot, but it's like a pale pink and it fits me really well. Then I did a beauty swap, and I got mine really late in April. It was the March swap, and I asked for ColourPop stuff, so she sent me a lot of ColourPop goodies, mostly from the Villain collection. And I have the highlighter. It's the Ursula Super Shock highlighter, and it's the For an Unfortunate Soul. So this is how it looks. It's more purple. I love the holographic packaging. It's like a really nice light purple. It has really nice this. For me, I don't know how I can wear it, as I am pale and this kind of looks weird on me. So we will see. I also got two of the Jelly Match eyeshadows. One is a spindle. Another one is Perfectly Wretched, and I'm wearing this one, the spindle, which looks like this. I will open it completely up. This is how it looks. It's so beautiful. I'm wearing it all over the lid today, and I really like it. I'm surprisingly in love with these eyeshadows. And the other shade I will show you is more like a wearable creamy shade that I can see myself wearing like daily. And it looks like this. Super beautiful, like champagne shade. I got a bunch of these Jelly Match shadows in the ColourPop Spring collection. I ordered everything because why not? I like it. I will review it most probably this week. So let's move. I have one of their glitter obsessions from the Villains collection as well. I have yet to try it, but it looks absolutely beautiful. I will do swatch because oh my god, I don't know how I have to like do this. So this looks so nice, like for doing for like festival looks. This is amazing. And the outside packaging is like this, and the shade name is Do I Look Like I Care? So I really do like the look of that. Then I have 3 more Super Shock shadows she sent me, and first one, oh god, I have swatched them. First one is Lace, which is this kind of dark purple. Then we have Bubbly, which is more of a light pink. It is super beautiful as well. And the last one is Bouncy, which is this. Then that's it for the Colourpop stuff and the beauty swap. But now let's go into the PR. I got sent the Derma roller system, and I honestly can't wait to try it. I have the 0.5 millimeter Derma roller. They also ended up sending me this anti-aging serum. I'm waiting for my other serum to run out, so I will use these babies together. And they also were kind enough to send me the Perfect Derma collagen mask, and I love tissue masks, sheet masks, so this is gonna be amazing to try out. I really do am excited to try it out because I have never tried the Derma roller system before. And the last is Pixi stuff. Pixi was kind enough to send me lots of their amazing skincare. I already reviewed these on my Instagram stories. It's the Pixi Glow Sheet Mask. This made my skin super bright, soft, hydrated, just amazing. I have only good things about say about these, and I definitely, when I run out, I will be repurchasing. Then I have the Detoxify depuffing eye patches. There's 30 pairs, and these are definitely nice and refreshing to start your morning routine. I usually, because it doesn't really say how long you should keep it on, and I have been keeping them on like 10 minutes with my regular mask, but maybe I will keep them on longer if I do some other masks. And these have like hyaluronic acid and caffeine, smooths and debuffs, aiding in reducing dark circles. Orogen patches infused and the delicate eye area with hydration. So I have very dry areas, and this was very hydrating. These did wanna like run around a little bit, so you have to be staying put, but I do love this. Then another favorite, I have been using this a couple of times. It's the Peel and Polish, and you keep it on the skin 2 minutes, and then you can to get really like exfoliating treatment, you can massage it 30 minutes. So after the 2 minutes are 30 seconds, not 30 minutes. After the 2 minutes are up, I wet my fingers and go over my skin and just massage gently this Peel and Polish, and it makes my skin so smooth. And then I usually go in with the sheet mask, and the results are amazing. Plus, it smells divine. It smells so good. It smells like cucumbers, like fresh cucumber scent. It's so nice. I really have been loving that. And then these two I have yet to try. This is the Glow Matte Mask and T-Zone Peel Off Mask. I love peel off masks, and I also love matte masks. These are beautiful. I'm sure of it. I will love them. I will try out them, and then I will come back on my blog and I will give you guys my full scoop of the new tricks. They also had this kind of towel with it, so you can clean your face, and this also is super soft. But yes, this is for my April haul. I do hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, like, please give me thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.